Alright, so we're talking about dividing mixed numbers now. And the real difference between dividing and multiplying is that you just do the reciprocal of the second fraction and change the division to multiplication. So it's going to work the same way with dividing mixed numbers as it did with dividing or multiplying mixed numbers, is that you change the mixed numbers into improper fractions. The only difference now is that once you have that improper fraction, flip it, reciprocal, change the division sign to multiplication, then multiply and solve. Alright, so 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1. We have 11 halves, still divided by. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11 eighths. Now, here's the point where I need to take that second fraction, reciprocal, 8 over 11, change division sign to multiplication. Now, simplifying. These are both 11s. If I divide by 11, I get 1. These have a common factor of 2. So if I divide by 2, I get 1 here. If I divide by 2 here, I get 4. I then get 4 over 1, which equals 4. So a lot of this right here is exactly what you were doing on the day before this lesson. Alright, so let's do some more practice. Alright, so let me go back to a different color here. 18, which would be 18 over 1, divided by 3 times 3 is 9, 11 thirds. Now, first fraction stays the same. Second fraction, reciprocal multiplication sign. I cannot simplify. 18 times 3, 54. 11ths. 11 times 1 equals 11. Now I need to divide. It's right there.
Thank you. I'll be right back, okay?
Yep, 54 divided by 11. 4 times 44, subtract, you get 10. So what that means is 4 is my whole number, 10 would be my numerator, my denominator stays the same. 4 and 10 elevenths. Next one. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. 9 halves. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 4. 14 fifths. Once again, changing those mixed numbers to improper fractions. Now, because I have division, I have to reciprocal the second fraction. Multiply. I'm going to get 14 times 2, which would be 28. 9 times 5, which would be 45. Now, 28 times 2 is going to be more than 45. So it's only going to go in one time. But what is the difference? Do subtraction here. So we have 1, 7. So we're going to have 17 here. 28. 1 and 17, 28. Last one. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2. Thirds. Divided by 5 times 9, 45. 46. Ninths. 23 thirds. Reciprocal. Multiply. Good thing here, we do have a way to simplify. Divide by 3. 46 is on the bottom. 23 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. So we got 69 divided by, or 69 over 46. 46 doubled is going to be more than that, so we're going to get a 1. Subtract 23. 23, 46. Can 3 go into 46? No. Well, 3 can't even go into 23. So, anyways, 1 and 23, 46. That's it. Same thing as multiplying, reciprocal, as dividing. Just remember, or I'm sorry, Same thing as multiplying and dividing mixed numbers, except for with dividing, you just take the reciprocal of the second fraction, change it to multiplication. If you thought I went through this a little fast, use the pause, go back, watch it again, watch how I'm doing everything. Questions? Write them down, and I will help you in class.